Well, I went out and made a financial mistake. Traded in my 2019 3500 Cummins dually. And I bought a regular cab. There she is. You know, of course, knowing Dodge, they sent the wrong headlights in. This thing was a factory order. They got the rear taillights, right? But you know, you gotta deal with stuff like that when you get Dodge. So in this truck, you know, got the cat skin leather, the etched Outlaw with the vanilla white. Because you know, if you don't got leather, what's the point of getting a truck, right? And you already know that I had to go out and get the 12-inch screen because, you know, them 5th gen Cummins guys would be hurting my feelings if I didn't. So I had to go with that option. The leather seats so I could fit in, you know, because no one likes cloth seats anymore, I guess. It's got the heated steering wheel. It's got all the fancy options you can get in a regular cab. Every Cummins guy, gotta have your exhaust brake on to drive down the highway because you know we're always pulling loads. Don't got my tow mirrors out yet, but you know that's probably the next mod I'm gonna do on this truck is put my tow mirrors out and pull invisible trailers. I would have loved to have deleted this thing before I actually started driving it, but there's no tunes for the 22 yet. So, oh yeah, hit up Diesel R for all your tuning, deletes, custom work. So check them out. They got merch online, you know, good group of guys, so. Gotta do it. I gotta see if this truck can do a burnout, guys. Nice. See if this dirty old truck can pull a fat burnout. Oh! Whoa! She's doing it, boys! Woohoo! Ooh. Wow. Whoa. Sick. You can see them mirrors from here. Nice. Well, hopefully you like my half truck just as much as I did. And if you haven't already, go to your local Dodge dealership. Pick yourself up a Cummins. Because you know what they say, right? 6 in a row, ready to tow. Ooh.